Hello friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to keep your WhatsApp status private. This means only the people you want can see it. It's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First, open WhatsApp and go to the status section. Now, click on the three dots, then click on Status Privacy. Next, click on Only Share With, and then go to Include. Here, you'll see all the contacts saved on your phone. Now select the people you want to allow to see your status and click on the right checkmark. And that's it, your work is done. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.